Hey everyone, welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the highly concentrated energy residue in the First Descendant. Now, this residue can be used to make things like lactic enhanced cells, and it is indeed a valuable resource due to its low drop rate. You can find the highly concentrated energy residue in the Hagios region, primarily from elite commanders and encrypted vaults. To efficiently farm this material, focus on exploring encrypted vaults near the waypoints in Hagios. These vaults can spawn on both normal and hard difficulties. To increase your chances, reset the instance by switching difficulty or battlefields and re-clear the vaults. And that's it for today's video on how to get highly concentrated energy residue in the First Descendant. And if this video is helpful to you in any way, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.